Here we're going to take a look at how do I group objects together. So if I wanted to add this sphere on top of this fan, what I'm going to do is I'm first going to try to align these so that this sphere is right in the middle of this fan. So I'm going to go ahead and select both of my objects. I'm going to go ahead and align them up so that I know that's right in the center. Now, this may look like those two objects are actually together, but they're two separate objects. So I could still move them separately. What I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to group them together so they become a single object. Doing that is relatively simple. I first need to select both objects so that they're both part of my selection. I'm then going to come up to this toolbar and choose Group. What I now have is I now have two objects that have now become one. So if I select this, these now become a single shape. I now don't have the option to change the number of fans or maybe the angle because I have a sphere and that fan together, so I don't have the same properties that were available to me at first. Now I can always ungroup these, manipulate them how I need to, and then regroup them together. I can do that by ungrouping, clicking on my fan. I then maybe am going to change the blades, maybe the distances, and maybe I'm going to change the length. Now I got the fan how I want it. Maybe I also need to change that sphere. Maybe that was too big to begin with. So maybe now I'm going to have to realign them. And now I'm going to have to regroup them so that they now become that single object. I can always group and ungroup as many objects as I need to get the shape that I'm looking for.